How to lose weight fast. Hi everyone. How are you? Welcome to the High Fitness by Weakness channel. Today I'm gonna show you 5 steps to lose weight fast. So stay tuned guys, because in a moment, you will receive a quick dose of really powerful knowledge. There is a lot of information out there suggesting how to lose weight quickly, but most often it is difficult to fully understand how to make a change for effective and lasting results. In this video we will summarize the 5 key steps to make sure you will be successful in your weight loss journey. 1. Be active. A bit of physical activity is the #1 factor to increase your chances to lose weight effectively while feeling better with yourself. Make sure you do it at your own pace. Don't rush or overdo if you want to seriously take up this new habit. Start taking regular walks, take the stairs instead of the lift, join a gym and start getting into the zone. It is scientifically proven that exercising a little with a calorie-controlled diet will produce more weight loss than dieting alone. 2. Eat more fruits, vegetables and protein foods. Increasing the amount of fruits and vegetables in your diet will make sure you are getting most of the key ingredients that your body needs, such as vitamins, fibers and minerals. This can help you fight cravings and feel more energized. Make sure you have 1 portion of vegetables every day, make it your own. Have your favorite fish or lean meat and accompany it with a big portion of vegetables. At the same time, increase the amount of protein-rich food in your diet, as proteins help you make you feel full for longer by releasing energy into your body much more slowly than carbohydrates and fatty foods. 3. Avoid sugary and carbonated drinks. Don't drink your calories. Sugary drinks are bad for your health and weight loss management. It has been scientifically proven that the consumption of sugary drinks increases your chances of becoming obese. This is echoed also by the published guidance of the World Health Organization, who suggest to reduce the consumption of free sugar throughout the life course. 4. Cook your carbohydrates right. To get skinny, most articles out there suggest to cut carbo intake when trying to lose weight. This may be partially true, but the reality is that your body still needs carbohydrate as energy, but it also needs the right energy. Let me give you an example. Don't not fry your carbs. Cook them with the minimum amount of calories. Have roasted potatoes instead of fatty deep-fried chips. Substitute white carbs with brown carbs, which contains very little starches or chemically processed ingredients. Eating the right amount and types of carbohydrates will help you get rid of stomach fat. 5. Eliminate or cut down alcohol intake. As aforementioned, do not drink your calories. Unfortunately, alcohol contains a high amount of calories, and it is common knowledge that its overconsumption is also linked to overweight. To get rid of your tummy fat, you should aim to reduce the amount of weekly alcohol units you may drink. According to the NHS, drinking 5 pints of lager a week adds up to 44,200 kilocalories over a year, which equates to eating 221 fat donuts. And that's it for today. Appropriate motivation, patience and perseverance are extremely important when losing weight. Sometimes it is better to slow down the pace than give in to pressure and give up weight loss. Your approach to the whole situation has a key function. If you really care about achieving your goal, don't forget to put this knowledge into practice. Remember that just watching this video will do nothing to you if you don't take action. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you are looking for something that can really help you lose weight, please check the link in description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to receive new powerful videos. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Have a great day and see you in the next video.